should you get your ACL repaired? Should you get it fixed if you tear your ACL? Now, there are definitely people that don't get it fixed, and there's lots of people who are, some of them famous athletes, who have a loose knee that are able to get by with it. But for the average person, you kind of need your ACL to be able to be athletic and even just to do certain types of occupational and jobs and so forth. The whole point of the ACL is that it is a structural entity in your knee. It's an architectural element that's responsible for stability. If you don't fix the ACL, then you have an unstable knee. It's a knee that will rotate more than it should. It'll translate more than it should. It will give way. And we've done studies here in Vail that show that the ACL deficient knee, somebody that doesn't have an ACL, is up to a 6 times higher risk of having some other additional injury to some critical structure within the knee. And so for most people, regardless of age, it's all about activity level. It's not necessarily your age, but for most people that have an unstable knee, we fix that.